Hola, and welcome to Soul Speaks 3. This is episode 1, The Jungle Says Hello. Today, we'll be learning basic introductions and greetings in Portuguese. Let's go through the words. Hello in Portuguese is hola. Hi is oi. My name is. Meu nome é. Meu nome é. I am. Eu sou. Eu sou. Now you'll be able to follow along with the story. Let's get started. Olá! Olá?
Oi, meu nome é Bibi.
Olá, Bibi! Meu nome é Sol.
Prazer, Sol.
Prazer? What does prazer mean?
Prazer.
Prazer means nice to meet you. Prazer, Bibi. And what's your name?
Olá, eu sou Tuki.
Prazer, Tuki. Meu nome é Sol. E meu nome é Trompete. Like trumpet, but louder. Louder? How are you?
E meu nome é João, but I change names like I change colors.
Olá, João.
Bibi, Trompete e João are my friends.
What does E mean, Tuki?
E means and, but don't say it too loud because the monkey.
E.
Oh, here they come.
Can you think of any sentences where you can use olá, oi, meu nome é, eu sou, prazer, and e? E don't forget trompete.
Trompete means trumpet.
But I'm louder.